Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your eToro app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications here. Then it's going to take you to next here. Then you just click here on deposit here and withdrawals. You just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next here. Come here to withdrawals. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean withdrawals notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.